Welcome to our bonus lesson where you will learn how to create a star stem brush. It is really simple and I will show you the whole process. Then you will be able to apply this to any shape you would like a stamp brush of. I'm going to be honest with you guys, I'm not great at drawing stars without them looking very wonky. So I just start by screenshotting a star shape from Google and insert it on my canvas. I think it's the easiest way to get a super clean shape. So that's what I'm using. So I'm going to lower opacity on this one. And I'm just going to go ahead and use my monoline brush to trace the star. I generally only do the first V shape and use the same to do the other branches as it seems to have the most consistent end result. I'm just going to duplicate my V shape, place it around the same places as the picture. And if you want, you can always merge the bottom two branches and just flip them horizontally. So now you have a star. By merging this and filling it, you have a clean star to stamp. Now, the Brush Studio requires you to have a black background with a white shape. If you use any shade of gray, it will be lowered opacity but show on screen. So we want to alpha lock this star and make it white. And we want to put the background in black. You're going to want to merge the star. And now, swiping with 3 fingers, you're going to choose copy all, and we're going to be ready to go to our Brush Studio. You're going to go to your brush library and select the plus sign. We're going to put the spacing to the maximum and go to Shape, Edit, Import, and Paste. It's going to paste your star shape you've created. Select Done, and now you have stars. So if you go ahead and trace a line, stars will appear once in a while as it is spaced. So if you only press once, one star will appear. But as you can see, opacity is varying depending on your pressure. So we're going to want to go to the Apple Pencil and drop the opacity pressure to none. Now every star you draw is going to be opaque. The last thing I want to adjust is in the properties. I want my maximum size to be way bigger, so I do have big variation. And the minimum opacity, I bring all the way to the max. So it will always be opaque and you will have big stars. I tried to set it around 700. I feel like it's the one that worked the best for me. And now, if we do a new layer, then we have a star stamp. If you want to create some with other shapes, you don't even have to redo the same process again. You can just duplicate your brush and change the shape. All the other features of the brush are going to stay the same, and you're going to be able to build a stamp library.